welcome to another vlog. It's a little bit of 2024, a little bit of now. Comment down below how the new year's going for you. I'll tell you really quick how it's going for me. It's been eventful in a good way and bad. Yeah, but we're here and we are gonna thrive and we're gonna lock in because we ain't got no time to waste. We're gonna make this the best life we can. Are you with me? Let's go enjoy this new year together. Thank you, God, for another day and another year. Another year being her.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking. I look good. Okay, chill. But let's talk about it. Chill. First of all, no filter.
Okay.
And I'm going to go see El Alfa. I'm going to see El Alfa tonight. I'm going to see El Alfa tonight. ¿Dónde están los dominicanos? Arriba los dominicanos, o sea. All of my outfits and accessories are linked in the description. Well, look, we're right here. Out here with the Boo. Food and Wine Festival here in Manhattan, New York. Oh, we need to do this. It's like cotton candy, right? Like it melts in your mouth. It's like a mint. It's like a mint. Consistency is like 1 through 10. 0. Hello, thank you.
What's that?
Alright. You said no nuts, right? No. So good. Oh my god. Wow. It was spicy, lemony. God, I'm so excited for this. Mini pozole. Ah! Stop it. It's a Aloha pork taco. Okay. That's a chocolate fruit. What? Thank you. Welcome.
Oh yeah, it's like. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Lobster truffle with some steak. Ooh. That is bomb. My friend wants to go to McDonald's.
Take me to McDonald's. I want a number 1 Big Mac. Extra sauce. Right.
Now I'm gonna take Lauren to McDonald's.
Look me.
What do you want, babe? McDonald's or Jack in the Box?
McFlurry. No, I want a McFlurry.
Okay, McFlurry, you got it.
Your entrances will be located on the right-hand side of the block.
What's up, vlog? We out here in Inspector Vergonias.
Dude, what's wrong with you? Keep it close.
Because I look at Karen and my mouth. La Cristina. Solo.
I said, ooh, I'm blinded by you. Hey.
That's right, walk over. Turn train, probably 24. That's what we do.
Where are the shirtless guys at?
Never hanging out with you again.
Why you always lying?
What Mario character would you be? What
Yoshi.
character would you be?
Amy, stop asking stupid questions.
What do you mean? Luigi?
No.
Hot.
I'm gonna be this guy.
Oh, period. Pink mushroom?
Sure.
Let's go.
Get it.
That's so cute.
Huh?
20 bucks, that's crazy.
Okay, get it.
He
Get
said
the, I
get
prefer the
it. Oh, cousin, you got money. God damn, my cousin rich.
Hey, rich baby daddy gang.
You didn't watch my
I'm
vlog?
about to crack one of these cups right here on your face. Real soft.
Oh, I love you. Okay, chill.